Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create a debit note quickly and efficiently using our Invoice Create module. Step 1. Click on the Invoice Create module from your dashboard. Step 2. From the options available, select BizDocs. Step 3. To create a debit note, choose Debit Note from the drop-down list. Step 4. Now, enter the seller details including the phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, and state. If the ship from details are the same as the seller's, tick the checkbox labeled same as seller details. If not, you can enter them manually. Step 5. Click on the Save and Next button to continue. Step 6. Now select the buyer from your ledger list and fill in the required buyer details like phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, and state. Again, if the ship to details are the same as the buyer's, tick same as buyer details or fill them in manually. Step 7. Click Save and Next to proceed. Step 8. Under Debit Note Details, fill in all the mandatory fields: invoice number, invoice date, reference number, reference date, delivery note, reason for transportation, and any other required fields. Then, click Save and Next. Step 9. Select the product from your product list. Fill in the necessary details and click OK to add it to your debit note. Step 10. If your debit note includes a round-off amount, select the round-off ledger and click OK. Step 11. Click the Save Debit Note button to save your entry. Then click Print to view or download the credit note as a PDF. Step 12. To review or manage credit notes later, click on the History button and choose Debit Note from the drop-down list. From there, you can view the PDF, edit the credit note, or delete it if needed. You can also click on the down arrow to view detailed product information. And that's it. Creating a credit note with Intelligere is easy, structured, and secure, letting you manage returns or adjustments with confidence. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.